Lethargy, noun.
ساستی غنودگی बेहोशी
A lack of energy and enthusiasm. Example, there was an air of lethargy about him. Synonyms: sluggishness, inertia, inactivity, inaction, slowness, torpor, torpidity, lifelessness, dullness. Antonyms: vigor, energy, animation. Perpetuate a verb.
बरकरार रखना जारी रखना हमेशा रखने वाला
Make something continue indefinitely. Example, the confusion was perpetuated through inadvertence. Synonyms: keep alive, keep going, keep in existence, preserve, conserve, sustain, maintain, continue. Antonyms: abolish, abrogate, annul, blot out. Integral, adjective.
लाजमी जिबिल्ली पैदाइशी तौर पर बुनियादी
Necessary to make a whole complete, essential or fundamental. Example, games are an integral part of the school's curriculum. Synonyms: essential, fundamental, basic, intrinsic, inherent, constitutive, innate, structural. Antonyms: incidental, peripheral. Quagmire, noun.
दलदल कीचड़
A soft boggy area of land that gives way underfoot. Example, torrential rain turned the building site into a quagmire. Synonyms: swamp, morass, bog, peat bog, marsh, mire, quag, marshland, fen, slough. Antonyms: agreement, solution, advantage. Virulent, adjective.
जहरीला जहरीली तासीर
Of a disease or poison, extremely severe or harmful in its effects. Example, a virulent strain of influenza. Synonyms: poisonous, toxic, venomous, noxious, deadly, lethal, fatal, mortal, terminal. Antonyms: non-toxic, harmless, safe, non-contagious. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Reiterate, verb. Say something again or a number of times, typically for emphasis or clarity. Example, she reiterated that the government would remain steadfast in its support. Synonyms: repeat, say again, restate, retell, recapitulate, go over and over, iterate. Antonyms: cancel, withdraw, reverse, retract. Prolong, verb.
तूल देना आगे बढ़ना
Extend the duration of. Example, an idea which prolonged the life of the engine by many years. Synonyms: lengthen, make longer, extend, extend the duration of, draw out, drag out, protract. Antonyms: shorten. Beleaguer, verb.
तंग करना छेड़ना गुस्सा दिलाना तपना
Cause problems or difficulties for. Example, he attempts to answer several questions that beleaguer the industry. Synonyms: hard-pressed, troubled, in difficulties, under pressure, under stress, with one's back to the wall. Antonyms: snarl, entangle, orient. Resilience, noun.
उभरने की कुव्वत लचकदार नरमी
The capacity to recover quickly from difficulties, toughness. Example, the often remarkable resilience of so many British institutions. Synonyms: flexibility, pliability, suppleness, plasticity, elasticity, springiness, spring. Antonyms: rigidity, fragility, vulnerability. Disrupt, verb.
मुदाखलत करना, रुकावट, खलल.
Interrupt an event, activity, or process by causing a disturbance or problem. Example: flooding disrupted rail services. Synonyms: throw into confusion, throw into disorder, throw into disarray, cause confusion/turmoil in. Antonyms: organize, arrange. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Hope that you will like it. If you like our channel, kindly comments.